Ranger Pupper, say hi. Come here. Come on, say hello to the camera. Say hello. Say hello. Range. Precious. Puppers. Oh yeah, scratch right here. Feel good? Ryan. What you doing?
Eating. Eating your food. No bite?
No. No.
Get in. Get in. Shut up.
Get him. Get some range.
Hello.
Hello, Ryan. What time is it?
I don't know.
Check the clock behind you. Oh, I'll zoom in on it. 3:57. Okay, we gotta go. Say bye, Ranger. It's like, no, I want some barbecue. Puppy.
Hi, future Anna. Hope we're still friends.
Hope we're still friends. Hope you're still eating my barbecue in the future.
It's good.
Staying at my house, eating my food. Ranger's like, I don't mind, it gives me food.
Want a bite?
No. Talking to me or the dog?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to bite. I'm on a diet, bro. He's like, if you're not gonna give me anything,
I gave him some.
what's more? That right, buddy? I'm zooming in on your face. Oh, that was a big bite. Chill. It's so cute. Big mouthful of barbecue. Alright, we gotta go.